Mindfulness meditation. Welcome to our video tutorial on mindfulness meditation, a technique that can help you stay anchored in the present moment. Let's dive into the world of mindfulness and find our peace. Begin by finding a calm, comfortable spot. You can sit, stand, or lie down. The choice is yours. The key is to be comfortable, but not so relaxed that you could fall asleep. Now, close your eyes gently. This is not a requirement, but it may help you focus. If you prefer, you can just lower your gaze, whatever feels more comfortable for you. Start by taking a few deep breaths. Inhale deeply, hold for 2 seconds and then exhale slowly. As you breathe, pay attention to how your lungs expand and contract, notice the sensation. As you focus on your breath, thoughts will inevitably start to drift into your mind. That's completely normal. The aim is not to stop these thoughts, but to recognize them without getting attached. If a thought arises, acknowledge it, and then gently bring your awareness back to your breath. Practice this act of returning to your breath whenever your mind wanders. Mindfulness is about being aware of what's happening in the present moment. So, feel free to check in with your senses. What can you hear, smell, taste, and feel right now? Every now and then, you might also notice feelings or sensations in your body. Maybe you feel a slight itch or a cool breeze on your skin. Simply observe these sensations without reacting to them. You might experience a wide range of feelings during your meditation. You might feel calm, bored, frustrated, or even sleepy. Whatever you feel, it's okay. Accept your feelings without judgment. As we near the end of our session, start to bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes, stretch a bit, and when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Remember, mindfulness is not a destination, but a journey. It's about cultivating awareness and compassion for yourself. Practicing regularly can help you manage stress, improve focus, and live in the moment. Thank you for joining this mindfulness meditation tutorial. Keep practicing and you'll discover a more peaceful, mindful you. Until next time, be mindful, be present, and be kind to yourself.